Welcome to a groundbreaking integration in healthcare data management. The seamless connection between eMDs Care Plan and Oracle database, powered by the cutting-edge eZintegration by Bizdata. In this video, we'll explore how this integration is revolutionizing patient care plan by streamlining data flow, enhancing efficiency, and ensuring data security and compliance. Log into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations, and begin by adding the integration bridge. The first step is configuring data source. Before configuring data source, we will see how our data looks in eMDs data source. This is the care plan data of patient structural D. Here, select source type as API. Choose data source as CGM eMDs from the list and select the business object as care plan. Provide the authentication URL with ID. Enter the authorization details. Test your API endpoint using test button. Our response in the source is JSON data in a nested format. We need to convert the single-line JSON response to multiple lines tabular data as our target is Oracle database. Next, navigate to Data Operations to begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first step is sending nested values to the top using the send keys top of root operation. This retrieves data from the API, and stores it in the Bizdata dataset response key. So, we are passing this as our key value. Using single-line to multi-line operation, we will convert the single-line data to multiple lines as the result is needed in tabular format. This is the API response from source. Data is stored under key named entry in API response. This data is required to be converted to multiline. Thus, we will be passing the key value as entry in this operation to convert all the data stored within it from single line to multi-line. Using the data extractor operation, we will extract the details stored in response. In response, all the details are stored within a key named resource. So this key will be passed in this operation. Using the operation send keys top of root, we are passing the key whose data we extracted before that is resource to send the nested value to the top level and fetch the data that is stored in it. Next, we will be using rename operation to rename the column names as per our target. Using this operation, we will rename ID to care plan ID and pass this in the operation. Using eliminate operation, some columns that are not required in target are eliminated, such as meta, text, status, and intent. Using append, a new key called category plan is created, and data stored within key named category is passed to new key category plan. Next, using eliminate operation, key name category is eliminated. Then using send keys top of root, data stored within the new key created that is category plan is fetched. Using rename operation, column is renamed according to target headers. Now, using operation send keys top of root, the key renamed that is coding plan, is passed to fetch data since the data within it was nested. Using eliminate operation, keys are eliminated. Here, we are eliminating coding and system. Again, using send keys top of root, we will fetch the nested data. We want to fetch the data stored within subject, so we will be passing te key name subject through this operation. We have date column in our API response. So, we will be defining date format using data types operation. Here, we are changing the format from year month date to date month year of key named created. Using eliminate operation, we will eliminate key named search, title, and resource type. Using rename operation, columns are renamed according to target headers. Here, ID, display and created are renamed to patient ID, patient name, and care plan start date respectively. Once the data transforming process is completed, we will prepare the data to be sent to the database. To send data to the Oracle database, we will create a new column using the append operation, in which we are passing the new key name called new key. Next, aggregation of all the values in one array is done using the data aggregation operation. Under group by key, we are grouping all the values available in the table using the new key, created in append operation. Under array key, any name, relevant to the data set can be passed. Here we are naming it as care plan. Under array key nested column, all the existing column headers renamed are passed. Lastly, a tuple is created for all the columns to read data from single line using single line to tuple operation. We are using this operation to load data in bulk in database, so we are mapping the columns along with the comma-separated values. Under tuple key, we will pass the key name in which tuple data will be stored. Informative and detailed documentation is available for each operation. Next step is to select target under data target. Before configuring data target, we will see how our table looks in target. This is Oracle database showcasing care plan table with all the columns. The following step is to select the data target, which is Oracle database. To do so, we will be configuring the data target with database details, as can be seen in the video. The tuple key that holds the tuple data, from single line to tuple operation should be passed here. Now, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 6000 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. Data can be seen coming to the target. Millions of record can stream into target after starting the service. With eZintegrations, get a seamless and faster integration experience.